What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we are playing some more Retro Bowl. We just declared for the draft that this. My last recording didn't go so well because some little brother kind of messed up. But we're gonna play the Kansas City Chiefs here. Oh no, what is happening? Touchback? What the heck? What is Owen doing? Go. Out of bounds. Oh my God. What a pass. Go. What? Oh, I got tackled. Oh, stiff arm. I did not think you would do press like that. I've never seen that type of press. Oh my gosh, that guy done wide open. I got him. Oh my god. Got touchdown. That's my bad. Golly. We're gonna go for two. I don't really have a ticket. Traded him for another pick. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, oops.
Look at the driveway to your house.
Ow. Oh, we got lots of deep. Oh, my staff dying. Oh no. What did I just do? Oh my god, no. We have 9 seconds. We have 9 seconds. What am I doing? I stopped the clock. There's 3 seconds left. There's no more auto. I'm gonna have to launch it deep and oh my gosh, what just happened? What happened? That was the first. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Oh, go. Oh, break tackle. No, for your game. You got him. Come on, tight end. Oh. You're slow.
Okay, then you rebuild it. I'm not rebuilding
Oh my god.
it. You like to wreck
Let's
it.
go. Let's see. Where are you going? Oh, and then and that didn't really help. Good job, Square. That's out. Oh my god. Who caught that? No one? Okay. No one caught it. That's okay. Oh my god. Dang it, I can't be. We're gonna run, turn it. Oh.
Here, he goes in this.
We're watching it
Put the
deep
other
this
guy
time,
in.
boys.
Okay.
You're doubling my tenant? Well, you can't do that. So shut up. No time in the pocket. Oh, it's 4th and 2. Do I want to go for this? Yes, I do. It's the second quarter. And great. Oh my gosh. Got out of bounds. I might look at 3 and 2 to see if I can get a better cue. Get out of bounds, get up. Oh my gosh, we didn't get out of bounds. We're walking around. The clock stopped. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Oh. As I threw, there's nothing else I could do. Why is the kind of run? Oh my god. He fumbled that. How did he get the first? Wait, did they mark the ball when he fumbled it? Oh Jesus. That's intentional. But that's It's okay. We're just gonna ignore that. Wait, how do I? No flags. Oh my god. Yep. 15 seconds. Yep. Come on, Hunter. Touchdown. Oh, we got out of bounds. What do I do here? Did he really just catch that? He caught that? No way. Well, I repeat this. Oh my gosh. I thought we had a break for it. Oh my gosh. Oh, go square, go square. Square is a square. Square is a squaresons. And he's gonna be my tight end. Dotson's gonna be wide open. Oh yeah. He's wide open. Oh, he just inside. Oh, he hurdled someone. Watch it. I repeat, I'm watching it. Where is my dog? Oh, he was doing now. Yeah, I can launch it. Burn him. He didn't burn him. Oh, he still got it. Almost got the touchdown. Yeah. Come on. Oh, he's blocking. Kansas. What a bad throw. Yeah, this is definitely why I'm going to change my quarterback soon. If you're just intercepted again, what is my QB throwing? Like, she's not throwing. What? Get out. Okay, we're not in the back of my hand. Oh, burn it. Burn it. Oh my gosh. You got hit pretty hard there. Oh my, he got hit stick. Oh, go. Oh, he hurdled two defenders. For the easy touchdown. Gotta get back in this game. Oh my. No. Our defense can't get stops. Oh no. Me and I got sick. Honestly, I think this thing went up against Team a bit too good. I mean, I don't know. We're going for it if we want to stay in this game. Oh my god, we got it. Get out of bounds. 38 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Leave him unguarded. No, they guarded him. Holy joke. Dang it. Oh my. We don't really want to win that. We scored 20. We didn't really put up a fight. Yeah, we lost by 14. That was fun. Criticize you. You weren't good. Oh, 457 yards. Pretty good. Got sacked 3 times, 1 interception, 2 touchdowns, Square and Dotson. A lot of people. We just shared the ball around midlane. 7 tackles by Planton, Lee 2, 4 for Matthew. Nothing really good. 2-2, Dotson. Gotta get that strength of his speed. It's not good. Speed all the way. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Took the L on this one by big lot. Definitely gonna try and see what's in free agency. Clowney. Ooh. He's good. But this guy, not good. This guy, good. Let's upgrade these. Well, that's it for today's video. See y'all in the next one. Peace. That did not go well.